Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing part 1 on a how to make a GUI tutorial. Sorry about the chair, it's a bit squeaky and the computer's making a lot of loud noises, so yeah, I apologise for them, but it shouldn't affect too much of the video. Okay, so anyway, let's start. So, step 1, go to Start a GUI, press the cross and insert a screen GUI. You don't have to name it, I'm not personally, but you can if you like. It doesn't really affect the video. Insert an object and insert a frame, and this definitely do not change its name, just leave it as frame. Right click on screen GUI again and insert an object and select text button. This also you cannot change the name of, it's really important. Now, let's start by selecting the text button and dragging it down to here. You can also select the frame and just make it into a nice menu kind of shape, like so, in the middle of the screen. I'm going to go down to properties and change its background colour to this light blue colour here. You don't have to, I just personally feel like it makes it look a lot nicer. Now, I'm going to now go down to the frame's properties and make it invisible by clicking, unchecking the visible box. Now you can select the text button and edit that if you wish. I'm going to change its background colour to blue. I'm going to go down to text and I'm going to call it open. Sorry, I'm not calling it open, I'm just, its text is saying open. I'm going to scale, text scaled, I'm going to check that box, and I'm going to change its colour to white, and change the font to cartoon. That makes it look a lot nicer. So now I've got all the properties looking nicer, I'm going to right click on the text button, click insert object, and then select a local script. Now, once you select a local script, it should immediately pop up like here. You don't have to change the script's name or any of the properties. You can just leave it like that. Now, let's start by starting to script. First, we have to localize the text button and the frame so we can use it in the script later on. It's a bit confusing, but trust me, you need to do this. So put local button equals script.Parent. Then press enter to start a new line and put local frame equals script.Parent.Parent.Frame. Sorry, that parent isn't a capital. Let me just change that real quick. There we go. Perfect. So go to the end of that line and press enter to start up a new line. Actually, no, press it twice to start line 4. You want to start up 4 lines. There needs to be a gap between the localization and the start of the main script. Now, let's start by scripting. Put in button, or whatever you've called the local script's parent. So put button dot mouse button 1 click. Just put in M, capital M, and mouse button 1 click. Should appear at the top. Double click on that. Then put hyphen. No, it's not hyphen. I don't know what that little mark's called, but it's on the screen right now, so if you could just put that in. I'm so embarrassed, I don't know the name of that. Then put double click connect. If you put the symbol here, connect should automatically appear here, so just double click on that and then select inside the brackets. Oops. Here you want to put function and then put an open bracket. If a another closed bracket appears, just destroy that. So that should look like that. If it does, you've done a good job. Well done. Go to the end of line 4, press enter, and if you've done it right, an end should appear automatically. Now we have a function, so when you press the text button, something happens, but we haven't put the script inside the function to make anything happen yet. So let's start doing that now. So put if gap Frame.Visible equals false, then new line Frame.Visible equals true. So that's telling the script if the frame is visible false, so if it's not visible, then make it visible. So now we need to make a new line and put else new line. Now we need to make it so if you click the text button again, the frame will disappear. So put frame.visible equals false. It's that simple. Now, I don't want to stop there. I want to add a few more bits of script to make it even better. I'm going to make this text button change its text when you press it. So go to the 6th line, go right to the end where it says true, and press enter. Don't touch anything now, and type in Button.Text gap equals gap open bracket close bracket, and in the middle of the open bracket and close bracket put speech marks. In the middle of the speech marks put whatever you wanted to say. I'm going to put close. Now go to line 9, go right to the end, press by the false and press enter. Here put Button.Text equals open bracket close bracket, in the middle of the open bracket and close bracket put speech marks, in the middle of the speech marks put open. Now our script is done. Close the script down and we can test. Go to test and then play. So what should happen is we press this button and the frame appears, and if we press it again it disappears. Let's give it a shot. Press open, it opens, press close, it closes, and it all works fine. That's really good. Now I'm going to stop the game from running and end the video. So if you liked the video, please click the like button and subscribe, because I put a lot of effort into my videos and editing it and filming it. So yeah, I would appreciate that. But anyway, I will be turning this into a free model, so in the description of the video, if you can't be bothered to code anything, then you can just take it for free. I'll also be in the description copying all this code, so you can just copy and paste all the code into the local script if you don't feel like typing any of this out. So I'm going to save to Roblox and finish up. So thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!